Hello there! In this quick video, we'll walk you through the new improvements we've added to 404 pages in Super. This update gives you more control over what visitors see when they land on a missing page, while also making it easier to understand and fix 404 issues directly from your Super dashboard. You can now create and set your own custom 404 page for your Super site. To do this, start by creating your custom 404 page in Notion. Once it's ready, go to your Super dashboard, click Pages on the left panel, and search for the Notion page you just created. From there, click the three-dot menu, then select User's Custom 404 page. You'll see an icon appear, which means this page has now been set as your custom 404 page. Now, let's see what it looks like when someone visits a missing or unpublished page on the site. As you can see, instead of showing a default 404 page, visitors will now see the custom page we created. This gives you more control over the experience and helps keep your site feeling polished, even when someone lands on a broken or missing link. We've also improved the 404 error message you'll see in your Super dashboard. We've added clearer visuals and better descriptions to help you quickly understand what's causing the issue. For example, this message tells us that the page is currently an unpublished Notion page. To fix it, we can click the button that leads directly to the Notion page, click Share in the top right, and publish the page. Once that's done, the issue is fixed. So instead of guessing what went wrong, the dashboard now gives you a much clearer explanation and points you toward the next step. And that's it for this update. With custom 404 pages and clearer 404 error messages, you now have more control over your site experience and an easier way to fix missing or misstructured Notion pages. We hope this helps you create a smoother experience for your visitors. Until next time, stay super.